Hello, friends and family. Welcome to Pagans Beauty. Here we're going to learn how to do tape-in hair extensions. This is the base color and highlights that I did all together before I put in the tape-ins. Here is the before. Here are the hair extensions, the tape-ins, 22-inch Donna Bella hair extensions. This technique is super easy. You take a thin slice of hair, you put one hair extension on the bottom and another one on top of that thin section of hair to create a sandwich. It's very easy, seamless, flawless, and looks very natural. I did this method throughout her whole head to give her a full head of tape-in hair extensions. This method is very easy to do and it looks so natural and beautiful and gives so much definition, density, and volume and length. I decided to finish doing her hair and completing the look using the wand to make waves in her hair, and it looks super pretty. Here's the look, all combed out and just beautiful and natural. Friends, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed and liked, please do so and comment your favorite part. Until next time, bye.